Hello everyone, Teacher Ayan muli nagbabalik. So this evening, our topic is about converting units of measure. So this is grade 7 mathematics, and here we go. So today, we're going to learn how to convert units of measure within the metric system and within the English system. So for the length, we have the meter, centimeter, kilometer, inch, foot, and mile. For weight, we have gram, kilogram, pound. For capacity, we have liter, milliliter, gallon, and pint. So, for the metric system, so unahin natin yung ating metric system conversion. So, the metric system is based on powers of 10. So, conversions are easy. So, madali lang po. We use these prefixes. So, we have kilo or K, so that is 1000. Hecto or H, that is 100. Deca or D or da, that is 10. And base unit is 1 meter. So it means our prefix is 1 meter, so meter. So if kilometer, so kilometer. Pag liter naman, that is kiloliter. And for the gram, we have kilogram. So this is our base unit. So ang isang deka, that is equivalent to 10 meters. Ang isang hekto, that is 100 meters. And ang isang kilometer, that is 1,000 meter. For decimeter, so that is 0.1. For centimeter, that is 0.001. And for millimeter, that is 0.001. It means you have 100 centimeters in 1 meter and 10 decimeter in 1 meter and 1000 millimeter in 1 meter. The same with liter and grams. So this is prefixes. Next is tip. Just move the decimal point left or right. Example, this one. So centimeter, so two decimal places, 0 and 1. Okay, next. So these are the metric units for different types of matrix. We have kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. For kilogram, we have hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, and milligram. Per kiloliter, we have kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, and milliliter. So this is our base, meter, gram, and liter. So 1 meter, again, that is our base. The same with gram and liter. Next, length. Okay, units, we have millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometer. Example, convert 2.5 kilometers to meters. So ilan? So we have ang 1 kilometer natin is equivalent to 1,000 meters. So therefore, 2.5, okay, 2.5 kilometers or 2.5 times 1,000, that is 2,500 meters. So ang 2.5 kilometers is 2,500 meters. Kasi ang 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters. Next, number 2, example. Convert 480 centimeters to meters. So therefore, the answer is 100 centimeters is equivalent to 1 meter. So ngayon, multiply natin 480 or divide natin 480 divided by 100. So that is 4.8 meters. All right. Next, for the weight. Example. So, ang units natin are milligram, gram, and kilogram. Right. For example number one, convert 3,000 grams to kilos. So remember that 1,000 gram is equivalent to 1 kilogram. So ang gagawin natin, we're going to divide. So 3,000 divided by 1,000, that is 3 kilograms. Okay, next example number two, convert 2.5 kilograms to grams. So step per step, 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams. So nagbaliktad lang kanina. So ang gagawin natin, yung multiply. So kasi ang kabaliktaran ng division is multiplication. So 2.5 times 1,000, that is 2,500 grams. Next, for the capacity or the volume. So we have here the units are milliliter or ml, liter, and kiloliter. Okay, sample number one, convert 3.5 liters to milliliters. So it means from liters to milliliters. So anong gagawin natin? We need to what? Add, multiply, or divide. So hanapin mo natin. 1 liter is equivalent to 1,000 milliliter. So ang gagawin natin is we need to multiply. Alright? So 3.5 times 1,000, that is 3,500 ml. Okay, number two. So convert 2,500 ml to liters. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin is we need to divide. Since 1,000 ml is 1 liter, so 2,500 divided by 1,000, that is 2.5 liters. Okay, let's go to the English system conversion. So the English system uses fixed values that must be memorized. Unlike kanina sa ating metric system, which is very easy. So times mo lang siya, times 10. So makuha mo na, or you're going to divide. So yun na ang ating answer. But in the English system, so you need to be memorized. First, so distance tayo. So we have 1 foot, that is equivalent to 12 inches. Right? Next, 1 yard is equivalent to 3 feet or 36 inches. So, ibig sabihin ng 1 yard, tatlong ruler nakahaba. Because 1 ruler is equivalent to 12 inches. So, therefore, 1 yard, that is 3 feet or 36 inches. Next, 1 mile. So 1 mile is 1,760 yards or 5,280 feet. Okay, next, let's go to the mass or the weight. So ang ginagamit sa English is pound. So this is for abbreviation ha, ang pound natin. So 1 pound is equivalent to 16 ounces. So 1 ton, US ton, hindi siya metric ton. So that is equivalent to 2,000 pounds. So 1 ton, that is equivalent to 2,000 pounds. The capacity, 1 cup, that is equivalent to 8 fluid ounces. So 1 pint, that is 2 cups, is equivalent to 16 fluid ounces. 1 quart is equivalent to 2 pints or 4 cups or 32 fluid ounce. And 1 gallon is equivalent to 4 quarts or 8 pints or 16 cups or 128 um, fluid ounce. Okay, example. So we have for the length. So 36 inches is how many feet? Okay, so since 36 is divided by 12, so therefore there is 3 feet. So 36 inches is equivalent to 3 feet because 1 foot is equivalent to 12 inches. Okay, next for the weight. So 48 ounces. And how many pounds is that? So again, so 48 divided by 16, that is equivalent to 3 pounds. Next, for the capacity. So 16 cups is how many gallons? So there are 16 cups is divided by 16. So therefore, that is 1 gallon. So that one. So practice. So try to convert this one. We have 6 problems. Can you do this one by applying the formulas ng pinakita ko kanina? So from metric to English system. Okay, so sa metric, madali lang siya because you're going to multiply by 10 or divided by something by 10, or you remove the decimal places from left to right. Sa English system naman, so you need to memorize that one. Alright? So I hope nakatulong yung video. So recap tayo. In the metric system, conversions are easy because they're based on 10. Just move the decimal. For the English system naman, use memorize conversion factors and multiply or divide. Alright, so that is the metric and the English system. So I hope may naintindihan, and thank you for watching this video. So pasensya na po sa background, and we will see in the future. Sana gumanda na yung ating background music. So thank you so much, and dagang salamat sa tanan. So ang music natin is mga mananap